All right, in this video, we're going to get a little bit technical. No programming knowledge is required, just the use of Notepad and a couple slashes. So we're going to be addressing a little bit of an issue for some Sage CRM and Sage 300 users, which is in regards to a field height. So we're going to take a look at something quite common to us, which is a lead. This would apply for anything where we have a pick list value. So quickly, I'm going to show you the field we're looking at, the symptom, and the resolution. So under source here, this is going to be, a drop-down list. Right? We have lots of options, and let's say I want to go and I want to remove Twitter. We never have a source from Twitter, so I really wanted to remove them from this list so my sales agents aren't ever selecting it. So of course, we're in the lead entity, so we need to go administration, and I'm already there, but we'd go customization and then lead. Now I'm going to be looking for the field called source. Once I click on selection, you'll notice that everything is piled up here. I can't see anything. I have to use this down arrow, find Twitter at the bottom, select it. What happens if I wanted to select multiple ones? Control, it's just a pain, and this is not operating correctly. So what we need to do is we actually need to find where we've installed the file. Now, this might change depending on your local install, but I'm going to use the kind of out-of-the-box location, and this would be a good place to start. So I'm going to go in Drive C. Look for Sage. Sage. Oh, I'm going to backtrack out for a second. Program files 86. There we go. Sage. CRM. CRM. I think we're in the AW root. And then there's something called themes. And at the very bottom, there's this one, ergonomic. So we can just right click and edit this, and it's going to bring it up in Notepad. And I'm going to put a description at the bottom of this video as to what you're searching for, but what you're going to do is you're going to look for view, V-I-E-W, box, B-O-X, caption, C-A-P-T-I-O-N, space, dot, edit. I know, we're almost there. And we found the first one, find the second one. Now this is not operating correctly, this height. So what I want you to do, I want you to comment this out by 2 forward slashes, Control S or save the document, and you can exit then, or keep it open if you're not 100% certain that it's going to work. And the next thing, and this is an important step, you need to go into your history, settings, and I need you to clear your cookies. So cookies and other site data, clear data, and then we're going to go back and just refresh the page. And this selection box has now gone back. So for a more detailed review as to this issue and the resolution, I'll send a link for the Sage CRM community. This is a colleague of mine, Gabriel Fallhaber, who just identified this fix. If you have any questions, please contact us.